Your CoDrone EDU controller can do so much more than just pilot your drone. The LCD screen allows you to visualize your in-flight data through several different displays. The screens can communicate everything from color sensor data to the XY position or your CoDrone EDU's signal strength. Hi, I'm Megan. In this video, we are going to learn how to turn the different displays on and off and about the data each display is capable of showing. In this video, we will cover the default screen, accessing all displays, the count, version, and HSV screens, the joystick, sensor, and signal screens, the variations to the default screen, and the position and trim screen. The default screen. Let's start with the default screen. It shows the bottom sensor height, the propeller rotations per minute, and the drone's heading, pitch, and roll. These are terms that you will learn about as you progress through our lessons. In the top left, you can also see the control settings. The first option will tell you if you are in position or attitude mode, headless mode on or off, the mode settings, and the speed. You can learn more about each of these in our controller settings video. The icon in the top center of your screen is our audio icon. It can either be on or off. In the top right, you can see the signal strength, the drone battery level, and the controller battery level. You can switch between different displays by using the S and P buttons. The S button will cycle through the list in one direction, and P will cycle through the list in the other direction. These display screens gather information from the 7 different sensors that are found on your drone. Many of the displays allow you to view the same sensor data, but just in different formats. Accessing all displays. You may notice that as we go through each of the display screens, you may not see the screen we are showing on your controller. That is because you are able to turn each individual display screen on or off depending on what is useful to you. To view all the screens and decide which you'd like to see, hold the S button until it takes you to the settings menu. From there, displays are the first menu option. You will use the right arrow button to enter the displays menu. Once in the menu, you can use the up and down arrow to cycle through the screens. If a display screen is hidden, it will flash hide. To switch between show and hide, use the R1 button to toggle the screen on or off. The count, version, and HSV screens. This screen is your count screen. It shows your flight time, how many times you've taken off, how many times you have landed, and if you've been in any accidents. The version screen displays which version of the firmware is running on both your drone and controller. This will help you determine if your hardware needs an update. This screen is the HSV screen. It shows you the HSV values of the front and rear color sensors, which stands for hue, saturation, and value. This is how your drone is able to detect color from the color cards included in your kit. Joystick, sensor, and signal screens. This screen is the joystick data screen. It shows us the analog data being communicated from the joysticks as well as the mode the joysticks are set to. This is the data from the front and bottom range infrared sensors, measured in meters. It also shows the drone's internal temperature in Celsius, the pressure from the barometer in pascals, and the estimated altitude in meters. This screen measures the acceleration, the rotation speed, and the current angular velocity of the drone. There is a lot of information on this screen, but the most useful will be the signal strength in the center of the screen. Variations to the default screen. You'll notice that there are several displays that look very similar to the default display screen. A lot of them show the same data, just in a different layout. Position and trim screen. This is the position and trim screen. The left side shows the position of the drone's X, Y, and Z coordinates. The X and Y position are set to 0 every time you take off. When in flight, it is showing the X and Y relative to where you took off from. It resets to 0, 0 after every takeoff. And the right shows what the trim has been set to for the roll and pitch. By being able to access all of your sensor data, you are able to make informed decisions about your CoDrone EDU while it is in flight. The more you interact with these screens, the better you will become at reading the data. If you're interested in learning how to further customize your drone, or if you missed our video on controller features, check out those videos below. Happy flying!